Hi, Jim here at OCRV Center, beautiful Yorba Linda. Today we're looking at another one of our Amazon Prime electric delivery vehicles made by Rivian. We are now certified for Rivian repairs. This one was damaged all the way down the top from front to rear. We've done the body repairs, we've got it in primer now. It's getting ready to go in the booth right now, be painted today. So we are here for all of your Rivian needs, trucks, SUVs, electric delivery vehicles, being certified with Rivian. Very few shops in the area that are, so please don't forget us for all of your electric vehicle needs for Rivian here at OCRV Center.